Film yourself on your phone. A 3D character you typed into existence performs your moves. That's V2 Fun, one browser tab for the whole pipeline. It starts with an ordinary phone video, 5 to 30 seconds, one person. Full body in frame works best. The AI lifts the motion off your clip, and your character performs it live in the browser. No suit, no hardware. Indie game devs, VTubers, and designer toy makers stitch this from 3 tools. One to generate the model, one to rig it, then mocap hardware that costs tens of thousands of dollars, or a separate video service. V2Fun folds it into one tab. Type a prompt or drop an image to get the model. One click rigs it. Textures generate automatically. Animate from a motion library or your own video and export FBX or GLB. So, is any of this new? Piece by piece, it isn't. Meshy bundles rigging and over 500 preset motions. Deep motion and Rococo pull motion from video. Nobody else has your footage driving your own character in one tab, and it works best with humanoid characters, one performer, prototypes, not final shots. It's web-based and free during the beta, with fine print worth knowing. For now, V2Fun owns what you make and licenses it back. Commercial use is fine with attribution. Paid plans will flip that. It's built by Tammy and the V2Fun team. One tab takes you from a typed prompt to a character performing your moves, free while the beta lasts.